Silver Spring, Leisure World specifically. You want to go walk through this condo with me? It's currently under renovations. It's a huge mess, but I'm going to walk through and point out everything these sellers are going to do. This is one of my fix and list programs, and this property will be hitting the market pretty soon. As we enter into the front door is the family room. So out on the porch out here, I'm recommending replace this with more indoor-outdoor carpet. I'm gonna clean everything up in here, fix the window screen, and I think paint all of this green in here to match the rest of the paint inside the house. There's nothing wrong with these floors. I don't believe they said we could get them cleaned up. The mirrored glass, we're just gonna take down and patch and paint because this piece is already broken and it's like $1,000 to replace just that piece. In the kitchen, we're going to drop new LVP flooring in here to match the kitchens and bathroom as well. We're going to end up stopping it right here so we don't have to mess with anything in here, nor lift up the water heater. Water heater's from 2018, should not be an issue. The heat pack is, I'm not sure what year. I'm gonna have them take down all of the curtains, blinds, wallpaper needs to go. Cabinets are in great shape. Fridge and stove are fine. I don't think we need to do anything with those. Countertops, because we have this staining or just lack of material, I'm recommending putting new countertops here and here, whatever Home Depot has off the shelf. New flooring in here. One, it's beat up, but two, it just doesn't look good and there's holes in it. Crossing over here to the laundry. This cabinet is falling off the wall, so we're gonna take these out and just put a new wire shelf across the top there and new LVP in here to match the kitchen and the bathrooms. Bedroom number one, they're going to finish the drywall, take those curtains down or the blinds down, finish drywall, and we're going to put new carpet in here. Bathroom number one, very similar in here. Take the wallpaper off, put a fresh coat of paint on, new LVP flooring in here, and just scrub everything else. Into the master, finish fixing the drywall, take those curtains down, trash out all of that internet stuff, new carpeting in here, new carpeting in the closet in here, and not doing a whole lot in this master bathroom either. New LVP going in here. We're gonna keep this stuff, just clean it real good. Wallpaper needs to go, and just trashing all of this stuff out there and doing a really good deep cleaning, scrubbing in here. It's not always easy looking at a property when it is in a condition like this, but once it's all done, it's gonna be beautiful. If you know anybody that's considering moving to Leisure World, reach out to me. I'd love to talk to them. One thing I forgot earlier, this ceiling, this is just a drop ceiling, so we're gonna take this out, patch and paint the ceiling because there is drywall there already, remove the 3 fluorescent LED bulbs or lights that are running this way, and just run large one across here, and that way that'll kind of update, brighten the space, and I think look really good.